Hi, I'm Janice Mara, Caltrans Information Officer for Alameda County. And Caltrans loves the Bay. We will be replacing deteriorated pavement on southbound Interstate 680 the weekend of September 20th through 23rd for a smooth ride for motorists. After we have removed this deteriorated pavement, we are going to replace it with concrete, which is a durable material that will last for decades. Here's an example of what we're going to be doing. The way the process goes, first we put down asphalt, then we put down what is called rebar, this metal reinforcing material, and then concrete on top of that. This will be a full weekend closure in order to accomplish this work. Southbound I-680 will be closed between the Alcosta Blvd exit in San Ramon and to the south, the 580-680 interchange in Pleasanton. And again, that closure will begin at 9 p.m. on Friday. Southbound 680 will be fully closed in that area until the freeway reopens at 4 a.m. on Monday the 23rd for a smoother ride for motorists. For more information, visit our website, www.680paving.com. And remember, Caltrans loves the Bay.